Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to lock and unlock layers in Photoshop. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To lock or unlock a layer in Photoshop, there are three methods. First, make sure you have the layer you want to lock or unlock selected in the Layers panel in the bottom right. It should be a lighter grey if it is selected. All you need to do now is use the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl or Command on a Mac and /. You could also click on the padlock icon above the Layers panel or go to the Layer tab and then select Lock Layers and then choose All and OK. And so that is how to lock and unlock layers in Photoshop. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.